You need to watch this if you struggle with breakfast boredom. Banana pancakes in just 1 minute? Yes, please. Grab a ripe banana and give it a good mash till it's smoother than a jazz saxophone solo. Now crack in 2 eggs and add a quarter teaspoon of baking powder. Feeling fancy? Toss in a pinch of cinnamon or a splash of vanilla extract. Mix it all together until it's a lovely batter. Heat up a non-stick skillet over medium heat and pour small circles of this magic potion onto the skillet. Let them cook for about 30 seconds on each side or until they're golden brown, like a perfect summer tan. Serve these beauties immediately with your favorite toppings: honey, syrup, fresh fruit, you name it. And there you have it, folks. Delicious banana pancakes ready in just 1 minute. Thank you for watching Bistegs TV. Subscribe for more delicious, quick and easy recipes like this one. Have a great day.